don't give a fuck. It's psyching me out already.
All right.
Which ones are we gonna do?
Today's
no,
January.
Don't record, homie.
No, I promise. If you don't want me to put it on YouTube, I won't put it on YouTube.
The last YouTube video, dog, I look like a sea monkey.
A sea monkey.
Which one?
Okay. Show them over here.
Matter,
Tiff, show them over here.
It don't matter.
This is Tiff and Jared about to eat a habanero.
Fuck that. I'm just licking it.
Here.
Give him a little one. No, give him a little one. Is that a little one?
Yeah, it don't matter, dude. Fuck it. Let's get her done.
Okay.
Ah, dude.
Okay, they're about to eat habanero. They gotta bite at least half of it and chew it and swallow.
I don't want to spit on my phone. Dude, I gotta swallow too?
Okay.
Oh my god.
You ready?
On 3. Okay, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, bite.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Cheers, shit.
1, 1, 2, 3. Fight.
Nah, you can't.
Go. Okay, Steve.
Don't even start spitting it.
Oh my god.
Not spicy.
It's all in your mind, dude.
Damn, I can smell that shit over here.
What's wrong?
Oh, Tiffany swallowed already, dude. Oh, you can't spit it out.
Don't spit it out.
No.
No, spitting. Swallow it. Swallow it.
No. Oh,
Tiffany, is it hot? Explain what you feel, Tiff. What's wrong?
not that bad.
Oh, it's exaggerating.
Water makes it worse, dude.
Oh! What's Look at Jared being a bitch. Look at Tim. Look at Tim.
Oh
It's not that bad.
My fucking
Look at Tiffany though. What's with the bread?
Tiffany ate it all. He
Look
threw it
at
out.
Tiffany doing the thing with the bread.
Water makes it worse, dude.
Water makes it worse.
Not put in water, dude. My tongue is burning.
Tiffany's 14 and she's handling it better than Jared is like 28. Does it burn a lot, Jared?
Is it over with?
Is it gone?
Dude, the milk is bubbling in my mouth.
It hurts when I laugh.
It hurts when I little fart. Now Jared threw his away. Timmy, you swallowed?
Yeah.
Wait till you poop.
I told you I need a yogurt, dude.
Hey, wait, come here. I got your yogurt. Tiffany, explain to me what you feel. How bad does it burn?
I feel like my tongue is on fire.
You okay, Jared? No?
You said it only lasts a minute, dude.
No, I said 2 minutes. Is it going away? What do you feel? Tell me so I know. That way I know not to want to try it.
My nose is dripping.
Javi's here? Oh, but Jalen's not burning so he can try it.
Oh, what?
Never mind.
Oh, that's Jessica. Oh my god.
Was that Javi?
Nah,
Dude, I can smell it from here.
shit is strong.
Man, just tap your...
Dude, these aren't fucking tears of joy, bro.
Tiffany, let me see. Come here. Are you crying?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see your face.
Making her makes your nose run.
Wait, you know what? You guys got more balls than I do, because I wouldn't even try it.
Dude, my tongue is on fire.
Hey, milk.
It doesn't burn as bad anymore.
But don't drink all the milk. I want cornflakes tomorrow.
Not the first time though. You're not sweating, dude.
You're not even sweating. You didn't even get tears in your
You
eyes.
see the upper lip, dude?
You know, we might have to do it again, because I think I laughed so hard I kept shaking the camera, dude.
You're gonna do it this time.
Jose, you do it.
You swallowed yours? You actually ate it?
I only chewed it like 3 times and it wasn't even hot, and then I swallowed it and then it started
Still
burning.
making take it.
I know.
Is it still burning or is it gone? Is it going
Getting
away?
better, dude, but my tongue is on fire.
I ate something and as soon as
I want to try just to see what you guys feel. But man, I know I won't be able to take it. He's like, damn, I drove all the way over here just to do this.
my tongue is shaking. Is that normal?
All actuality, dude, I thought you guys were just joking. I didn't know it was like going to be hot.
I told you it was going to be hot.
We showed you videos.
We showed you videos, dude. We showed you like 8 videos.
But you guys bullshit all the time, dude. I thought it wasn't going to be fucking hot. Cause, dude, I told you Tapatio was hot to me, bro.
Well, you ate a whole habanero. Actually, you chewed on it because you spit it out.
I swallowed a couple seeds, bro, but man.
Eat some ice. Oh, get some ice. Put
We
some
don't
ice in
have
your mouth.
ice.
We don't have ice?
No.
Dude, nose is running and
My
everything,
tongue
dude.
is shaking.
Did your ears pop? No.
No, I just got boogers, dude.
Never again.
One more time just so we can record a good one. You can know how to react to it. That was just practice. That wasn't really habanero.
So what was that?
I'm going to charge you for the milk.
I'll go buy you a new one, dude.
The bread burns. That doesn't help anything. It still hurts. It still burns.
Can you whistle, Tiff? Go.
Try whistling, dude.
Try whistling, dude.
No, you threw up on the trash can.
Sorry, I'll clean it. It's like as soon as the milk leaves, it just starts burning. You rest your tongue and the roof of your mouth starts burning too.
How about your belly? I mean your tongue.
My belly.
I mean your throat.
She's the one who swallowed, dude, not me. I couldn't handle it. My hat goes off to her if I was wearing one. Fuck that.
So you're going to just put this on YouTube?
I don't give a shit. Just make my tongue stop burning.
Come here. Special recipe.
Ice.
You don't have ice.
It calmed down now, dude. It's just like every time milk ain't on it, fucking it's just burning. Dude, it's over 2 minutes, dude. What the hell?
As long as 2 minutes.
Okay, maybe we lied. It was like 30.
Give Jared some ice.
Get some.
There's ice right there, Jared.
Milk is doing fine.
Is it better now, too?
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Alright, so you better, Jared? So I can start recording now? I'll start recording at 10 minutes.
Dude, the first initial one is, dude,
What is it? How does it feel? It just feels like hot?
it's just like burning. And it's like the roof of my mouth. Like everywhere the seeds were, like